Okay, so stop being shy and head over to the same old crappy browser of yours and type in these words. So Limbo, Limbo of course, and x86 emulator for Android, free download, or you can type whatever you want to search the Limbo PC emulator, but this works good for me. So here we go guys, the first link that has come up claims to be the official site of Limbo, and I'm clicking there because that's where I got the stable version of Limbo APK. And you might say it's available on the Play Store too, but I downloaded it from here and it works fine, so probably you should also download from here if you want yours to work fine like mine. This is where you need to click. This is where you need to click. Without being lazy, scroll down until you come to something like this. Now, squash the download button. Squash. Now, to be able to use Windows commands such as the Control key, Alt, Fn keys, and Windows key itself, you need to download a third-party keyboard application from the Google Play Store, which is available for free, known as the Hacker's Keyboard. I have already downloaded it. Now open the Hacker's Keyboard application that you just installed and tap on the Enable Keyboard button. Why? Because this is so important. You want to scroll and see Hacker's Keyboard. Make sure you turn on this switch. Now do not worry about clicking OK in here, and just come back and tap on this button and set Hacker's Keyboard as the default input method, and you are pretty much good to go to Limbo. Oh no, aren't you forgetting something? You have to download a file from the link that I've given in the description. Okay, so now that you've downloaded the emulator, disk image, and keyboard, you need to configure them into a virtual machine to be able to actually run Windows. The first step is to click here to create a new machine. Tap on new and write any name you want. Any name is okay. So I wrote Windows XP Lite. You can write any name that you prefer. I'll mess with some settings here. Please do it just the way I do it, unless you actually know what you are doing. These settings are pretty much just about lying the computer, so it doesn't make a really big difference. Unless you know what you're doing, just keep them as they are. Just leave them as they are. You do need to increase the RAM, so set it to somewhat like 1 GB. I guess the maximum available is 1 GB, but I'll set it to the maximum as it is Windows XP. The hard drive part is important. Pay attention. Enable the first hard drive, that is a hard drive A, and click on open and locate the disk image file that you downloaded from a link. Keep the disk image file in a specific folder that you won't delete. As you can see, I have kept it in a folder named Windows XP. You can name it anything, but do not change the name after you configure these. Select winxp.qcov2 and click on open. Scroll down and come to the sound card section. Click on sound card and set it to anything you want. Set the network to user and the network card to PCNet. Yes. And set boot from device to hard disk and check high priority, it helps a lot. Now hit the start button and wait for a while till it comes to this screen. Press the back key and click on the keyboard icon. Press enter. Now because this part takes a very long time, I'm speeding up the video a little. So there you have it guys, Windows XP running on your Android phone. If you want to know how to install applications in this operating system, then let me know in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna make a future video about that specific topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.